Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. Today I'm doing a grocery haul. Alright, so I have done a couple of grocery hauls. I typically don't love doing them because I don't buy a lot of stuff. I have always been the type of person that if I have a lot of food around me, it's hard for me to stay on plan, and I end up easily falling off. So I typically buy not much. During quarantine, I bought a little bit more because it was quarantine and I needed to last, at least a week, maybe two. And during that, I behaved. So I'm challenging myself, and hopefully I don't screw myself over with this, by doing a full-on, a lot of stuff. I bought a lot of stuff. So let's get into it. So first of all, just look at, they barely all fit on the table. And I'm going to go through and try to name all this stuff. But I did not calculate the points for it because I am now doing carb conscious. And so I have to recalculate everything except for the 0 point stuff. That's obvious. But some of the other things that cost points, going to be a little bit different. But yeah, so I don't know what all I'm going to do with everything. So if you have some ideas from some of the stuff, feel free to let me know. I have some ideas, of course. But anyway, so starting on the left, I got some light mayonnaise because I think the mayonnaise that I have in there has gone bad. This is a lid from Pepper. So ignore that. Some Parmesan cheese because Parmesan cheese. Well, technically, this is 3 grated Parmesan Romano and Asiago blend. So yum. And then non-fat cottage cheese because I love cottage cheese and I don't eat it often enough. That I know is super low in points, especially being the non-fat kind. And then we got the, I can't believe it, not butters. So I got the tub kind and the spray kind. Also, just a random thing of Greek cream cheese. It's basically Greek yogurt and cream cheese. I see Barrett Pastor use that a lot, so I grabbed one. Hash browns. I typically try to steer clear of potatoes because I can eat so much of them and they are point costing, even on carb conscious, because I remember when I was doing points plus, that's how I steered clear of potatoes. But I eat fries, so I think I can handle these. Got some fat-free Cool Whip, and then got all kinds of Jellos. I'd never have bought Jello, to make at home. I see them used in a lot of recipes. Again, I was kind of browsing Barrett Pastor's website, and she made this awesome cheesecake using the cream cheese and some of these, so that might be what I do. Some 45-calorie bread. Of course, Skinny Pop. I love this stuff. I am almost out of that 30-pack box that I bought. Over here, I'm not going to pick them all up, but just got all kinds of frozen vegetables. And then I did buy these guys. So I bought some black grapes because they're on sale and cherry tomatoes because I use them every time I make a salad. Okay, let's do meats. So I got some turkey kielbasa. You guys know I love making a stir fry and I haven't made that in quite a while. So I got some of that. I got some 98% fat-free ground chicken breast and some pork tenderloins or pork chops, or technically they're calling them rib chops. I don't know the difference. I Googled it and it said they're the same. Let me know if I'm wrong on that. But all of those, $4.08. I know it's upside down. I'm sorry. Okay. This table's packed. Sorry. Okay, so $4.80 for all of that. So that's freaking awesome. And then I grabbed some turkey sausage because I love turkey sausage. And I love breakfast sausage, especially sausage links. So these guys, 70% less fat. They're turkey. I know they're going to be super low in points. I know they were 1.5 when I was on Sugar Smart, aka the WW Green plan. I don't know on Carb Conscious yet. I have never had these, but I was like, let's try some turkey hot dogs. Now the thing is, they don't look that appealing, and I don't love hot dogs. So I don't know why I bought this. I am not a fan of normal hot dogs unless they are burnt. But I am going camping next weekend, so maybe I can bring these with me. And I got some, skewer forks that I can put them on. And then if I burn them, maybe I'll like them. I got this because this is, again, great for going in my salads, chicken breast fillets. They're already cooked. I just have to microwave it for like 2 minutes or something and cut it up and boom, good to go. Sticking with meats, I got some lunch meat. This I was planning for the camping trip next week. So Black Forest ham, oven roasted turkey breast, and then I have never had pastrami. So I decided to grab it. It is ultra thin. I feel like it's more calories. It's 70 compared to turkey is 60. So I know my camera was not following what I was reading. But so it's only 10 more calories for pastrami. So hopefully I like it. If not, we'll see what happens. Got some yellow mustard because I know it's 0 points. I don't eat a lot of mustard, but I know it's 0 on like everything. Okay, so cream of celery, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, tomato sauce, finely chopped tomatoes, and randomly black beans. Most of those are on sale, so I grabbed them, and I feel like, they're good to have around. I also got some no sugar added applesauce. I know there's a lot of stuff you can do with this stuff. I have never done any of it. I've used it one time. I don't remember what it was for. I just remember I did it one time. So I bought some of that, and I'm going to look some recipes up to use that in. I know a lot of times it's like cakes and stuff. Chicken broth, just because you can always use chicken broth. Low sodium soy sauce. Whoops, up here. Low sodium soy sauce, because I use soy sauce all the time. I literally fry rice at least a couple times a week. Let me know if you want me to do a video on frying rice. It's pretty easy, but after talking to some friends, they're like, I don't know how to do that. It's pretty darn easy, so let me know. Apple cider vinegar. I was browsing through, like I said, Barrett Pastor's website, but also a girl in her phone, Kim. I was browsing through her website, and I saw this listed a couple of times for different recipes, so I grabbed some. And then minced garlic, because I love garlic. I put garlic in anything that I can. So why not get a big old tub of it for once instead of buying it all the time? And then bread and butter pickles. Mainly I want the juice because I really do want to make some chicken. I did not buy any chicken. I want to make pickle chicken. But I'll eat some pickles first and buy the chicken later since I forgot to buy actual normal chicken breast besides the grill and ready kind. I've done a video on it before. Look it up. But it's simply you marinate in pickle juice the chicken all night and then throw it in the air fryer. It's green, but it tastes amazing. Also got some olive oil for cooking and some fish sauce for cooking. That's a boot from a bar. Salsa. And then let's go to packets. Just because a lot of times these end up being a lot lower in calorie than some of the ways that I can make it, except I do make a lower fat sausage gravy, but still got some sausage gravy mix, some chorizo taco seasoning mix, turkey gravy, sausage gravy again, classic ranch, taco seasoning but cheesy kind, and then less sodium taco seasoning, just to have on hand. And underneath here you can see I have corn also. I forgot to mention that. And this, I've never tried this brand, but it's a big box and it was like for $1.19. Normally, I get this brand from Aldi, but I was not at Aldi, and they're the same size box. So cool. So I'm hoping it tastes similar. And then I got some stir-fry rice noodles because, again, I love stir-fry. I love anything Asian, so boom. And then, even though none of these are low in calorie, low in points, they were on sale. So I got some fettuccine noodles. I got some lasagna noodles. I don't know if turning my phone's a good idea because you guys aren't turning your whole computer. Yeah. Anyway, so I got that. Got some penne rigate noodles. And just got some basic elbow noodles. They're slow dried. Okay. So that is everything I got. In case you're curious, I didn't buy this. It was just already on the table. This is just some coconut oil for cooking. Oh, and also I didn't mention it. These are for my fat days, so don't judge me. But macaroni and cheese. So this will be on a Sunday when I eat my daily points and my weekly points. So this will be a thing. Got 2 of those for 2 Sundays. So yeah, so that is everything. Now I got to put all this away and start calculating points. But like I said, let me know if you have any recipe ideas for some of this stuff that you think I should try out. Love to try new stuff. You guys all know that. So comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will talk to you later.